How's it going, everyone? It's Hoochie from Nagios. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the custom includes component in Nagios XI. For those of you who don't know, the custom includes component allows you to upload your own custom CSS, JavaScript, and images to Nagios XI. This allows you to customize the look and feel of XI. The custom includes component is especially useful for organizations that need to customize XI to meet their specific needs or that want to match the look of XI to their existing IT infrastructure. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change the color of the header with examples of a solid color, a gradient, and an image. This is only one of many customizations you can do using the custom includes component. For more advanced customizations, you'll need to be proficient in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'll be using Google Chrome as my browser, so some steps may vary depending on yours. And with all that said, let's get started. To edit the background color of the navigation bar, you first need to identify the object you want to change. Since you're adjusting the background color of the navigation bar, you need to identify the HTML object. To identify the HTML object, right-click the top navigation bar and select Inspect. This will open the developer tools and highlight the object that you just selected. The object is a div element with the ID header. This is referenced in CSS styling using the pound symbol. Now you can close the Inspect element window by clicking the X at the top right corner. Once you have identified the HTML object, you can create a custom CSS file to define the new background color. There are multiple ways you can go about this. I'll be defining the color in RGBA format. In a text editor of your choice, create a file called header-solid.css with the following content. Now you want to upload this CSS file to XI. Open XI and click on the Admin tab. On the left-hand side, under System Extensions, click on Custom Includes. Click the Browse button, navigate to the file, then click the Upload button. You'll receive a message saying Successfully Uploaded File. Now that the file is uploaded, you can enable it. Click the checkbox for the CSS file and then click the Save Changes button. After clicking the Save Changes button, the header background color should change the next time the page is refreshed. To use a color gradient instead of a solid color, you can use the following CSS technique. There are many free online tools that you can use to help generate a CSS code for a color gradient. For example, I'll use cssgradient.io to generate the CSS code for my gradient. Create a file called header-gradient.css with the following content in a text editor. Now upload this file using the same method as before. Make sure you delete or disable the previous file in the custom includes component. The result should be a navigation bar with a color gradient that gets lighter from left to right. You can also use an image as the header background. First, you must upload the image. Click the Browse button, navigate to the image of your choice, and then click the Upload button. You'll receive a message saying Successfully Uploaded File. Now you need to create a CSS file. In the text editor, create a file called header-image.css with the following content. It's important to mention that the image files are stored in a directory called Images, and the CSS files are stored in a directory called CSS. Because the CSS code is being accessed from within the CSS directory, we need to use a relative reference to the images folder using the syntax as per the code shown previously. Upload the file using the same method as before. Make sure you delete or disable the other existing files. The result should be a header with the top part of the image you uploaded. And there you go. That's how you use the custom includes component in Nagios XI. For any questions or assistance, visit support.nagios.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned because we'll be dropping more videos just like this one. But until then, I'll see you next time.